everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. I'm just going to share with you the next kit from Artymaze that I'm going to be designing with. I am on the Artymaze design team and I love creating with her beautiful kits. So the next one that I'm going to be doing my design team project for is called Watercolor Christmas. It's absolutely stunning and I've picked it because it's got nice muted colours, it's not too bold, it's got the watercolour feel. You can see the watercolour elements, splodges and whatever have you in the backgrounds, and it's got this vintage feel as well, and not too much Father Christmas, for want of a better word, St Nicholas, Santa, whatever you want to call him. There's not loads of that in the kit. He's dotted about here and there, but I can omit him. I don't want it to have Father Christmas in, or Santa Claus, or St Nicholas, or whatever you call him. I didn't want it to have that him in, so he's going to get omitted because I just want it to be more of a seasonal feeling rather than you know, about Santa and sleighs and reindeers. So yeah, more of a vintage. Beautiful, because obviously, you know, they didn't really have Santa, did they? Christmas wasn't really a big thing until, you know, celebrating it in this way, with cards and gifts and things wasn't really a thing until Victorian times. It was always just a religious thing before. It didn't get commercial until Victorian times, and we had Christmas trees and whatever have you. So that's the feel I'm going for anyway, is the kind of oldie worldy Victorian. I'm babbling. I am absolutely babbling. So I'm just going to quickly show you. So this is one of the main massive layouts that I'll use as either, you know, as a page. I'll use that as a page. I don't know if I've printed on the back. No, I haven't. What I do sometimes is I will print a coffee dye on the back, or like we've got this sheet here that says notes. I might go back and print that on the back of this. Okay, so we've got a mixture of lovely backgrounds. We've got these, obviously these stunning main digits. I like this because it says notes. I like that font. I wish I had that, just that in a stamp. It's lovely. So that one says notes, then that one's doesn't, but it's got this cluster in the middle. I love that. Absolutely love it. It's beautiful. Andrea's kits are always lovely. They're so well put together and formed, and nothing ever looks like it's just been plonked. It's like if you put two colours together and they don't blend properly, it just doesn't look right. Sometimes you can get kits that are like that. They just don't look quite right. Things don't look like they belong. I don't think I've ever come across that in any of Andrea's kits, which is why they are my first choice always. So here on this one you can see the watercolour smooshes in the background there. It's absolutely beautiful. And then we've got this lovely border of poinsettias and holly and whatever, berries. It's beautiful. I really, really love it. So for this one I'm going to be making a full-size, well, when I say a full-size journal, I'm going to do it probably, I like to use, let me show you. This one's ready for my secret guide. So what I like to do is I like to get old books, gut them and use the covers. So that's kind of the size that I'm going for. So whether I use another recycled book cover or whether I make my own chipboard, that is kind of the size that I feel comfortable with. So that's what size it'll end up. Alright, so that's that. Then we've got this full one here which you could use. It'd be beautiful as an accent for pockets. You know, collaging, whatever. I probably wouldn't use that as a full page because it's really, although it's beautiful, it's busy. I still use that as an accent. There's another, I'll use that as a full page. Another beautiful one. I probably won't use this one just because we've got Santa there, Father Christmas, St Nicholas, whatever you want to call him. But what I'll do is I'll use the rest of it for collaging. I love this bit, I just don't want the Father Christmas. But that's the beauty of these. You don't have to like every single page because there's so much choice. You're going to like the rest of it, and I can use all the rest of that page. Beautiful, beautiful background, lovely Christmas red and Christmas green, perfect shades, they're lovely. Again, you can print those on the back of the main images, use them for collaging, use them for your pocket details. As always, you get tickets, tabs and banners, which are always beautiful. I always end up using them in some form or another, and then you get loads of journaling cards. So, you know, you don't have to make all your own journaling cards from scratch. You could just make, you know, a handful to make the journal personal to you, and then you can just use these, just literally cut them out and they're done. Or you can use them and adapt them, but there's plenty. This is lovely. Look at that, how that's beautifully layered. I love it. And then you've got the vintage girl there. And again here you've got some lovely ones. Looks like note paper. I love that. I love all of those. And then we've got some more, so you've plenty of choice. You soon fill up your journal with these. Beautiful. Okay. Then if you've got some of the full size envelopes, you can print 2 to a page to make them smaller if you want. My printer doesn't always like me doing it. It won't always do them. It'll just print one out. And then I'm wasting out the rest of the paper. I don't know why it does it. And then we've got some little tags. There. I've printed the kit out twice. So he's done 2 to a page there. So unless that was already like that from Andrew doing it. We've got a little pocket and a tag there. More pages. So that would just be a page and you're done. You wouldn't even need to decorate it. I think this is it all over again. So that's that all over again. Because I normally print it out twice so that I've got. If I'm doing a big journal, this one's going to have, well, it's not huge, it's book size, but it's going to have 3 signatures, so I need plenty to play with. And then if I've got any left over, it will go in the TNs. I'm making a TN as well from another kit. So yeah, so there's going to be a full-size journal and a TN in Christmas theme coming. So I'll leave a link below to Andrew's shop where you can purchase her digital images. They're beautiful, they're easy to download, and she's got lots and lots of selection, and prices are amazing for what you get. The colours and the clarity always comes out perfect. You know, you never get it where you think, oh, that's a bit wishy-washy, or that's a bit, you know, the images aren't clear, they're blurred. Never, ever happens. They're perfect. She does really beautiful work. She really, really does make sure that those images are the best that they can be. They're awesome. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Make sure, like I say, that you do subscribe. I'm going to be filming as I make some of the bits and bobs of this. It might not be the full from start to finish, but, you know, as I'm making things, I'll come and share with you. Alright, enjoy your day and see you again soon. Bye.